Introducing the hOmeLabs 12,000 BTU Window Air Conditioner, a smart and energy-efficient cooling solution that combines convenience and performance to create the perfect indoor climate. With Wi-Fi connectivity, versatile cooling modes, easy installation, and minimal noise, this window AC unit offers a comprehensive solution to your cooling needs. In this review, we'll delve deeper into its features, benefits, and specifications to help you make an informed decision for your home. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Smart Control Air Conditioner. This air conditioner is a game changer when it comes to controlling your indoor climate. The inclusion of Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to effortlessly manage your cooling needs. Pairing it with your mobile phone via the hOmeLabs app is a breeze. Just press the smart button, and you're good to go. Moreover, it seamlessly integrates with smart home ecosystems, such as Alexa and Google Assistant, making it a versatile addition to your home automation setup. Number 2. Energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a paramount concern for modern appliances, and this air conditioner doesn't disappoint. It is not only a powerful cooling solution but also energy efficient, providing more value and reducing electricity bills. Number 3. Multifunctional Cooling. This air conditioner is a versatile performer. It offers multiple modes to cater to your specific needs. Whether you want efficient cooling with the cool mode, reduced humidity with the dry mode, or simply want to circulate air using the fan mode, this unit delivers. It also comes with additional features like a 24-hour timer, eco mode for energy conservation, sleep mode for nighttime comfort, and follow me mode to adjust cooling based on your location in the room. Number 4. Easy installation. Installing this air conditioner is a hassle-free process that doesn't require professional assistance. In just 15 minutes, you can set it up on your own, although having a second person to help is recommended for ease and safety. The included manual provides clear and easy-to-follow installation instructions, ensuring a smooth setup. Number 5. Low noise operation. One of the standout features of this air conditioner is its low noise operation. With a noise level ranging from 57 to 60 decibels, it operates quietly in the background, ensuring minimal disruption to your activities. Whether you're watching TV, reading a book, or trying to get a good night's sleep, this unit promotes a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 20.86 inches depth by 19.88 inches width by 16.14 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The hOmeLabs 12,000 BTU Window Air Conditioner impresses with its smart control, energy efficiency, multifunctional capabilities, ease of installation, and quiet operation. It's a reliable and versatile cooling solution that can enhance your comfort while keeping energy costs in check. Whether you need efficient cooling, dehumidification, or simply want to enjoy a peaceful environment, this air conditioner has you covered. Upgrade your home's climate control with this air conditioner and experience a more comfortable and convenient living space. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.